Hi, this is Dave at TitleSearch.com. We get questions quite a bit about when a mortgage on a property may not be valid. And first of all, there's a lot of variables that go into this, and the end result might need to have attorney legal advice or even go to court to dispute a mortgage. So don't consider this legal advice. You might want to get an attorney. But in general, there are several factors which may make a mortgage invalid on a property. First of all, is that mortgage or deed of trust actually recorded properly in the land records? If it's a non-recorded item, that may be something that would bring up a question of its validity, at least against items that are recorded. Second of all, are you looking at a note or a mortgage? The note is actually the piece of paper that evidences the loan of the payments being made, the interest rate, the terms. The mortgage is what connects that loan to collateral on a property. So make sure that you're looking at the note and the mortgage together to see if they match up and that they correspond to one another. What makes a mortgage valid? Well, a mortgage in most counties needs to have certain elements on that document to make it a valid document under the statute of frauds. Documents regarding real estate have to be in writing. They have to have certain signatures and notaries, which all have to be valid. And each one of those can be scrutinized to see if the notary term was valid at the time they signed it, to make sure all the signatures are accurate in the correct place, and that the correct borrowers of that mortgage or grantors of those mortgage rights signed properly on that instrument. Also make sure that the legal description of the property is correct, and if the legal or other descriptions of that property are in error, then it may actually be recorded against a different property. The first step in creating invalidity of a mortgage or any property record is to challenge it. And you challenge it first with the opposing party. You may have to go to court. You may have to even file a quiet title. But challenging a mortgage starts with identifying what might make it invalid. Can be recording items, and maybe whether or not the signatures are there. It may even be if the format of that mortgage is correct for that state. If you have more questions about title information, title searches, title escrow documents, you can reach us at our website at TitleSearch.com.